Hello, Bob. It is November 5th, 2022, and just only 5 days ago, you had that horrendous collision with a deer. And what a miracle it is that you survived and that you're still here. You got lots of guardian angels working for you. Well, as it turned out, I first learned that you had hit that deer from Doug, and he had spoken to you, and he told me that you thought that you probably had totaled your cycle, and that the insurance company was probably going to write it off as a total loss. So the next morning, about 3 o'clock in the morning, I woke up from dreaming, as I usually do, and I had a very clear message from what I call my internal guide tapping me on the shoulder that I needed to write a reprise, a sequel to my dear Darling Harley song. And so I took that seriously, like I always do when I get these taps on the shoulder. And so I immediately began the next day creating the lyrics for a Dear Darling Harley reprise. And I've intended it to be kind of a wry song. And it's all, as you will find out, it's all based on the assumption that you may indeed need to write your Harley off as a total loss. And should that not be the case, well, you can ignore some of the lyrics of this, probably most of the lyrics of this song. So anyway, I hope that as your healing goes on, this song might add a little bit of humor to your day and help you in your healing process. So let's see what I can do with this. Oh, Harley, my dear darling Harley, with a heavy heart I'm back singing to you. Since I've hit that friggin' deer, I've been feeling lots of fear, 'cause I'm worried that you may not make it through. Oh, Harley, my dear darling Harley, you're the sweetest sweetheart I know. And whenever I've needed a means to escape, you've always got me to where I want to go. Though it makes my heart feel real achy, our road ahead seems awfully shaky, I may have to claim you as a full and total loss. So I hope you'll understand and not feel your second hand, or believe that you have been cruelly double-crossed. Oh, Harley, my dear darling Harley, you're the sweetest sweetheart I know. And whenever I've needed a means to escape, you've always got me to where I want to go. When my broken leg gets mended, I'll no longer be suspended. I'll be ready for a lot more awesome rides. But you're so badly busted, I fear you keep on getting rusted and end up just being another battered bride. Oh, Harley, my dear darling Harley, you're the sweetest sweetheart I know. And whenever I've needed a means to escape, you've always got me to where I want to go. Oh, Harley, my dear darling Harley, you're still the sweetest sweetheart I know. And since I need to escape, please don't take this like a rape, and then tell me where you think I ought to go. Oh Harley, my dear darling Harley, I'll always keep you very deep in my heart. So I hope you'll understand, no matter where you land, please don't write me off as just a mean old fart. That would be a terrible way for us to part. Yes, that would be a terrible way for us to part. Okay, there you have it, Bob, and I hope that'll give you a chuckle or two, and I hope that you're going to keep healing apace and be very, very kind and gentle to that injured left leg, and I'm sure you're going to have lots of loving support from all your biker friends and neighbors and wherever else it may come. So you take care. I hope to talk to you again soon. Love you much. Bye-bye.